everything, everywhere, is at all times in a state of transformation. Change can take real effort, or it can feel calm and effortless. Some transformations are years in the making, while others take place in an instant. But what is the true nature of successful transformation? The EY Transformation Platform offers suites of technologies that will help drive dynamic shifts in your business and how it realizes long-term value. Our suites of technologies support every step of transformation, from identifying trends and managing innovation, to designing better customer experiences and smarter, more productive ways of working. We co-created the EY Transformation Platform with EY clients, alliances, and ecosystem relationships. It includes EY proprietary digital tools and knowledge that help enable your transformation and give you a competitive edge. Our technologies are predefined and modular to support plug-and-play solutions that are tailored to your business. All are designed to catalyze your transformation journey and create long-term value. Realize your transformation with the EY Transformation Platform and start reframing your future.